Hello, fourth graders. In this video, we are going to be observing the effects that wind has on sand on a mountain. You will notice that our tray is at an angle because it is sloping like a mountain. We will be blowing through a straw to simulate a windstorm. Please observe the effects wind has on the movement of the sand. You will notice that the sand has moved quite significantly when you look at the lines on the side of the tray.